everyone, thank you so much for clicking onto the video. Today we're going to be looking at reactions of group 2 compounds, so the action of water on group 2 oxides and the approximate pH of any resulting solutions, including the trend of increasing alkalinity, and also the uses of some group 2 compounds as bases, so including equations. So for example, we'll be looking at calcium hydroxide in agriculture to neutralize acid soils, and magnesium hydroxide and calcium carbonate in treating indigestion. So we're going to look at reactions of group 2 oxides with water. So group 2 ionic oxides react with water to form hydroxides, and the ionic oxides are basic as the oxide ions accept protons to become hydroxide ions in this reaction, and so the oxides are acting as Bronsted-Lowry bases because they're accepting protons. And so the first equation that you need to know is the one for magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide reacts with 1 mole of water to form magnesium hydroxide. And this is the magnesium hydroxide that we use in indigestion medicines, so milk of magnesia. And it's slightly soluble, so not many free hydroxide ions are produced, and that's why the pH is not very alkaline. And then the second one you need to know is for calcium oxide, and the reaction is calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, and this is slightly more soluble, and this is used to treat acidic soil, so this is slate lime, and so because it's slightly more soluble, we get that the calcium hydroxide dissociates to form Ca2 plus ions and also 2OH minus ions. And these 2OH minus ions are what makes the pH more alkaline. And so we can see that the general equation for the oxides reacting with water, as we have the oxide, so let's call it XO, so we have a metal oxide reacting with water, and this is going to form the metal hydroxide. So this is the general form of reacting water with group 2 oxides. And so if we were going to react strontium oxide with water, we would form strontium hydroxide, and this would be even more alkaline. So the trend in alkalinity increases.